Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off tips on the X app step by step. Whether you no longer want to receive tips or just want a cleaner profile, this quick guide will show how to disable the feature in just a few taps using the latest version of the X app. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to turn off tips. Once the home screen loads, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open the main menu where you'll find different options related to your account. Next, tap on Edit Profile. You'll see several profile customization options here, including your name, bio, and location. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tips. Tap on Tips to open it. This section controls how other users can send you monetary tips through your profile. If the option Allow Tips is currently on, you'll notice a switch next to it. To turn the feature off, simply toggle that switch so it's no longer active. Once you do this, the tips option will disappear from your profile, meaning other users will no longer see the tip icon or have the ability to send you money directly through X. That's all it takes, just a few taps to disable tips completely. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same section and toggle Allow Tips back on at any time. X will instantly re-enable the feature and make it visible again on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully turned off tips on the X app. A quick and easy way to keep your profile exactly the way you want it. Thanks for watching.